give it to me.
Bakit?
Baba pa, baba.
Goliath! Bakit mo nilalait ang aming Diyos? Diyos ng aming ninunong sina Abraham, Isaac at Jacob. Ang aming Diyos ay buhay, hindi patay. At lalabanan kita sa pangalan ng aming Diyos.
And then stop.
At ibibigay kanya sa amin.
And then stop. Ganyan lang, ganyan.
Ganyan ka lang.
Ganyan lang, ganyan. Then you, while he is do like that, you know, pray, you will again, you will also move and talk.
Kailangan di ka
Pointing him.
Kailangan hindi
You.
ka.
Ibaba mo pa, Brad!
Nakapost ka lang. Brad,
You know,
pastor, nakapost ka lang dyan.
slave boy. Do you not see my warriors? These are my warriors. These
Dito,
are my
mga kids,
warriors.
dito.
Kids, pointing the
Point the
kids.
kids, yeah.
They are also a giant. They are like me, giant. But you are truly boy. Yeah.
Maliit man
Your
lamang
God.
ako. Goliath!
And you will say, your God is nothing.
Last.
Your God is nothing. You're
Last.
serving a God who has
Don't forget to
nothing.
laugh after. If you boast.
God you have, He is nothing.
Laugh.
No,
And then,
that's
okay.
not true,
And then you
Goliath.
will go. So that you will hear what he said. After you will hear what he said. Then after you will sing, you will say,
Ayan ka.
I think praise. Okay? That's praise. Praise, yeah. You don't just move. And then so that he can again, okay. Then you,
No! That's not true, Goliath. Our God is there, alive, and not die.
Not dead.
no, Tagalog ka na.
Inglesero ka na, Brad!
Hindi patay ang aming Diyos, Goliath. Siya ay buhay. At ngayon, ngayong araw at oras na po, ibibigay ka sa amin.
Pwede mo sabihin, God
Okay.
is not dead.
Okay.
Papatayin kita sa pangalan ng aming Diyos.
Nabuhay at makapangyarihan.
Makapangyarihan.
Tapos dito, sinatulog ka sa kanya.
Pastor, pwede niyang sabihin din na God is not dead. Kasi may movie na God is not dead.
God is not dead. Our God is not dead.
Aming Diyos ay buhay. Magpakailanman.
Okay, ito. Tapos you. You will
were-
say, ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha!
You think?
You weakling! You think you can defeat the great and powerful Goliath? Come and see!
Yes!
Pupugutan kita ng ulo, Goliath!
Okay, good.
Sabay mo, gaganyan mo.
Like that.
Ganyan.
Magaling, magaling, magaling. Pwede na, pwede na.
Good.
Something
Now,
na-
it's kind